Hello audiophile! Today we're going to do a teardown on these popular Logitech Z150 stereo speakers. But first, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, Wissonly High Runner Bone Conduction Headphone. Because of their support, we'll be able to do more new speaker disassembly videos. Thanks to them for giving us the opportunity to try something completely new and different. Well, let's get on with the speaker disassembly. Turn on the background music and see how these popular Logitech Z150 PC multimedia speakers are built. Wait! Before we go any further, we're going to give you a quick tour of these Wissonly High Runner Bone Conduction headphones. Did you even know there was such a headphone? They don't go in or on your ear. They can be used comfortably for a wide range of sports and for everyday gardening or hobby work. The headphones come with Bluetooth connectivity, but that shouldn't come as a surprise. The best part is the built-in 32GB memory where you can put your favorite music albums or podcasts. You can work out in the pool and have your music playing without your phone. The headphones are safe to use up to 20 meters deep. And they're safe to use in the rain too. Be free, be anywhere with your music. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below the video and you'll find the Wissonly High Runner headphones homepage in the description. Thank you again Wissonly for sponsoring today's video. But now, back to the Logitech speakers, disassembly and background music.